Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can update PUBG in game loop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the game loop app on your laptop or PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Here, go to the Me tab located at the top bar and you can see that PUBG and Play Store are available. So what you need to do is open Play Store instead of PUBG and make sure to log in using your Google account. After logging in, search for the game. And you can see that there is an update available. Simply click on update and it will start the downloading. And that's how you can update PUBG in game loop. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.